So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy an NFT here on at crypto.com. So once you open up crypto.com, I want you to go to the bottom left, press on the home screen. Then in the top left area where it says home, earn, and NFT, you guessed it, press on NFT. Now what it's going to be doing is actually showing you guys the NFTs that are being offered. So for instance, there's sales volume right here. You can go ahead and check different collections as well. So if you want to search one up, you can search one up if you're looking for that, or you can just scroll down. So for example, I'll just go to marketplaces right here. How about Halloween Pepe as an example? And there's an NFT right here. So if you want to go ahead and buy it, you can see the purchase price. You can select the edition right here, a bunch of different editions. And if all looks good, you can see the price down here. You can go to the bottom right, press on buy, and then proceed with the transaction this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy an NFT here on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.